Hi guys, and welcome to North Garland High School. This is my 5th year teaching at North Garland High School. I teach ceramic sculpture, Art 1B, AP Art and Design, and I'm pretty lucky that my administrator Chuck trusts me. Come on by on this Friday and we're going to make a bowl. I'm a prolific grant writer. What I want my kids to know is to be curious and explore the art making process, to be unhindered by what they might perceive as some notion that there's a right way to do things. I want them to have a space where they can be encouraged with divergent thinking and that there's many ways to approach a problem. I teach because I love working with these kids. I love coming in and having a good time and make art without the pressure of competition or somebody telling me what it's supposed to look like. This course is part of my PhD program. I'm required to have a minor, so I'm doing my principal certification. I'm familiar with a lot of the legal jargon from what I learned in the special ed certification. So this course I hope will expand on that. One of my favorite things about this art room is that there's tons of space. And I love, this is my favorite right there, that kiln. It is a touch screen scut kiln. It can do glass, it can do ceramics, it can do full fuse. I've only taken it up to a cone 6, but it can go up to a cone 10. My PhD dissertation is working with maker spaces. So I've got the kids working where they're taking electronics and running it through their sculptures. There's the battery packs there that they will hook up to an LED light or a motor or a fan or a buzzard. And then they can animate their sculptures and make them come to life. So this is my art room. I hope you have enjoyed the tour. Have a good day.